Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove watermark from video in Fotor AI. So guys, first thing, go to fotor.com and this will be their homepage. And after that, go to AI tools. And now from here, guys, you will have AI video category over here on the right side. And you should be able to select remove watermark from a video. So from here, select remove video watermark now. And from here, it will let us upload a video of our own, or you could just simply drag and drop the file over here. And as you can see, these are the examples that they made. And now from here, guys, currently I don't have a video, so I will use the Fotor AI platform video sample, as you can see, and select this one. Now from here, guys, I could remove this person over here. So I could adjust the brush size and I could add or subtract. So pretty much I like to remove this one. And after that, if you are satisfied with that, once you have selected all the watermark, you just simply select remove. And after that, guys, the AI will do the work for you and just simply wait for the result. Now from here, guys, you should be able to see the side-by-side comparison that we just did, and pretty much it is very effective. Now you could download the preview over here on the top right or download the full HD video. That's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.